So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a picture frame to an image here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, simply just go ahead and add a photo of your choice. For this demonstration here, I have a photo from my laptop, a nice high definition, photo right here. So first thing you have to do is add the photo. Next thing, once that is done, is press on the photo right here to open up this menu here on the right hand side of your screen. So once that is done, where it says border right here, simply just press on no border right here to get the drop down. And where it says no border line or a picture frame, it's pretty self-explanatory. Press on picture frame. So once the frame is added, as you can tell, there actually is a white picture frame sort of style added to this picture. If you want to sort of change what it looks like, you can press on this image right here to sort of add a different picture frame right here. So you can sort of add that one. You can add that one, whatever the case may be there. You can also change the scale as well, making it larger or making it smaller. So that's sort of just making the border either larger or smaller. And also what you can do as well is sort of just go from there, right? And you can also, make it higher, make it lower, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. And if you want to go ahead and change sort of the layout right here, the frame style, pressing this drop down right here, and you can select a whole bunch of different frame styles. So you can make it this frame. You could go ahead and make it this frame if you want. You can make it, maybe more of like a black frame, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to add a picture frame to an image here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.